Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful leaf bracelet and earrings. Sit back and enjoy. These are the materials you'll be needing: the fishing line, the scissors, then your needle and your hooks. Pick up 6 sand bead, then put them in the fishing line. After putting them, you knot the rope, that is, you tie the rope, tie it so strong so it won't cut. Sorry, I was having difficulties tying it here. Okay, after knotting it, you pass your needle through the first two sand bead. Then you pick 3 sand bead and one gold, then 3 other sand bead, and pass it through the second sand bead, and through the 3 first sand bead. Then you pick 6 sand beads, after picking the 3 sand beads, pass your needle back to the 5th one, then you pick 3 sand beads and pass it through the 3 first sand beads you picked. After passing the 3 sand beads, then use your needle and pass it straight through that 3 sand bead and through the other first 3 sand bead, and bring out your needle at the joint where it meets with the golden. Then you pick 3 sand bead, 1 gold and 3 other sand beads, and form a knot as you did in the first one. Then you continue the process until you get your desired length.